Hello everyone, I'm Pranjali Paranjape, pursuing my aeronautical engineering. I'm product designer and a graphic designer. The e-commerce Kickstart workshop was really informative and I was looking for something unique and effective way to put up an online store. This workshop helped me out in doing that. I learned many strategies, tools, and learned very new resources. And at Wholesome, it motivated me, and I'm now enough confident to put up it in real and get a real growth. Thanks ECOMJET for organizing such a wonderful workshop, and I'm looking for many workshops in future. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kunokwashi. I am a student and a co-founder of a small startup. Therefore, learning new market trends, customer experience, and business management is something I'm curious and quite passionate about. But having exposure to all of this through e-commerce was something new to me. That's why I really appreciate and benefited from the workshops. Through the workshops, I've gotten to know more on how e-commerce business really works. With the learning I got, I'm confident to look into the e-commerce market. The secret strategies of advertisement and lead generation were worth knowing, and I'm surely going to implement them. I really loved and enjoyed the workshops, and I surely recommend them to others.